In this video clip, we will work on question 11b. Determine the quadratic function and draw its graph with the given conditions. We are given the vertex, which is -1, 1, and we are given intercept. With vertex and y-intercept, then the quadratic function can be determined. How? Here is the step. There are two steps. Step 1, based on this information, you may write y equals x minus -1 squared plus 1. Where is this number comes from? -1 comes from here. +1 goes here. Then what is this used for? Actually, we should have a constant a in front of here. In this case, all the quadratic functions, because a may choose different values, they all have a vertex right here. And then the second condition, 0, 2, is going to determine this constant a. Is going to determine this constant a. Okay, let's see what it means on decimal. Here, let's get decimal out. The decimal is right here. You see, I have a input my equation a times x minus -1 is x plus 1. You see here the equation. X minus -1 is x plus 1. And then plus 1, this one. A I put right here. And you see, when I choose different value for a, here a I choose -5, the picture will act in this way. If I choose positive value 3, it will be acting this way. Then if I move a, let's say choose 1, then you have the y-intercept, which is 0, 2. Then how to use 0, 2 to determine this value a? Here is the step. You have a times x plus 1 squared, and then plus 1, which is y. Now, if you plug in 0 here, you should get 2. This is what? When x is 0, y is 2. 0, 2 comes from here. Okay? So then algebraically, you will have a 2 equals a, 0 plus 1 squared plus 1. And here is a plus 1 equals 2. Then both sides subtract 1. You have these two cancelled. So 2 minus 1. Then here gives you what? Here gives you a equals 2. A equals 1. Let me erase that. something this way. A equals 1. This is how we find out this A in algebraic way. Okay, you need first write down the equation and then plug in the value. Here, this value 0, and then this value y. For 2, x is 0. 0, 2 comes here. You plug into the equation right here. 0, 2. 0, 2, 0, 2. Then you solve for a. 0 plus 1 is 1. Squared is still 1. 1 times a is a. And then plus 1. So a plus 1 is 2. Then a must be 1 because 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got a is 1. Then you plug in right here. That will be the equation. So what is the equation? Equation will be y equals x plus 1 squared plus 1. Because here is 1, you do not have to write. You may expand this one. That will be y equals, here is squared. So when you expand this one, you shall have x squared plus 2x plus 1. But you have another one right here, so you plus 1. Okay, here you do by FOIL method. And then you have x squared plus 2x plus 2. Because of what? Because you add these two together, you get these two. So final answer is this one. All right? All right. I'll see you next time.